If you are running a WordPress business website that requires appointments and reservations, then this video is for you because I will be introduced to you 4 of the best WordPress booking plugins to streamline your workflow. Let's go! Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Basic features you need to take into consideration when choosing the right tool includes a customizable and adjustable calendar integration that can be installed on your website, a mobile-friendly interface so that your users are able to book appointments on smaller devices, as well as options for accepting payments for appointments. I also include a comparison table, which you can find it on the description box below. To start off, we begin by going to Plugins, add a new one. You enter here the keywords booking calendar. In this search box is this one. Just click to install and then activate when it's done. And this is one of the oldest and popular booking plugins available for WordPress users. It provides an easy-to-use booking system to receive bookings from your visitors and to manage them through a modern booking intuitive admin panel. Once it's activated, you get this booking calendar tab. Simple steps to get started. You add a booking form or available calendar to your page or your post. Let's try this one, and you insert it from a shortcut. Let's say I want to insert it here. I search for booking calendar is this one, and then all you have to do now is to configure the booking calendar block, where you have got this form, timeline, and calendar, and you have these filters to select the number of month to show the calendar, to start the start month. You can also set here the timeline and the calendar. Let's try this simple example, and you are done. You have access to the booking to calendar overview, where you can configure the availability, where you select days in the calendar to then select available or unavailable status and click to apply. Let's try this one, and now you set it as unavailable and click to apply. It's a very straightforward process, and you also have settings to configure form, emails, and sync. You can check or uncheck some form fields, and the same goes for emails configuration, where you get this and you can set it here. You can configure in order to receive notifications and the managing booking. And for the sync tab is where you sync the bookings with other services. You can set in the sync the time zone you are in. As to pros and cons of choosing this plugin, as to pro features, it's simple and easy to use lightweight plugin. It's free of charge. As to cons, it lacks some advanced features such as the ability to create custom booking forms and manage multiple locations and resources. My number 2 from my list, BookingPress plugin. So you had here the keywords on this search box. It's called BookingPress. Is this one. Let's install and then activate. And I can assure you, this is a super important tool for WordPress because it makes it easy to book appointments online. And you can use this plugin to schedule appointments, take payments, offer different services, and keep track of your staff's availability. It's great for business like gyms, salons, health centers, dental offices, and law firms. The free version offers a simple interface to manage your bookings. With the free version, you get the PayPal for free. It's the only one plugin that offers a PayPal payment gateway for free. Compared with the Pro version, it offers limited features though. The Pro version, which you can find it here, it has now a limited price of $69 yearly instead of 99. So make sure you check pricing plan tires. Upon purchase, you will get download link with 40 days money back guarantee, which means if you are not satisfied with the product, you can cancel to get your money back. As to pros and cons of choosing this plugin, I would say, as for benefits, it's a feature-rich, highly customizable plugin, integrates well with other popular WordPress plugins, and has cons. It's a more complex to set up and use, not as lightweight as the other plugins. Next one, I want to install Easy Appointments. You enter the Easy Appointments keyword in the search box. There's this one, you install and activate by clicking on this blue button. And I can say this is an extremely flexible time management. Multiple locations, services and workers, email, notifications, and it can be used for lawyers, salons, mechanic, cleaning services, doctors, personal trainers, private lessons. They provide an extensive help and docs page here in order to get started. And after you complete all settings, you can move on to insert the front end part of the plugin on the page or post. You just need to click on the shortcode section and then just follow the procedure. As to features, it has multiple locations, services and workers. You get email notifications, HTML via WordPress editor. Just like any other plugin, you can make fields required, and you have a drag and drop order. As to pro and cons for this plugin, as to pros, it's a lightweight plugin, easy to use and feature rich for small business. As to cons, it lacks some advanced features such as the ability to create custom booking forms and manage multiple locations and resources. And the last one is this one, appointment booking calendar, simple schedule appointment with a 5-star review average rating. This plugin is very easy to use and fast to set up. You had an enjoyable for your customers and clients to book and schedule appointments. You can set up the appointment scheduling calendars to take your first booking in less than 5 minutes. With this plugin, you get features which include, with this Easy Appointments plugin, some features include unlimited booking calendars and customizable notifications. You can use advanced scheduling options and blackout dates. Highly tailor your schedule. Can embed the appointment booking calendars using the block editor. It's integrated with Elementor, widgets, Beaver, Builder, modules, and Divi modules. You can style and customize the booking calendar to match your brand and website. It's translation ready, including Spanish, German, French, and more. And it's deeply connected with WordPress, including integrations for the event calendar plugin, WordPress Fusion, and more. Here are the pros and cons for this plugin, so you can make a sensible decision. As to pros, it's simple to use, lightweight, free, offers a variety of integrations with other WordPress plugins. As to cons, it lacks some advanced features, such as the ability to create custom booking forms and manage multiple locations and resources. The best booking plugin for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. If you are looking for a simple and easy to use plugin, then Booking Calendar or Easy Appointments would be a good choice. If you need a more feature-rich plugin, then Booking Press would be a good option. My suggestion is to make sure you test each of the booking plugins provided in this video. Thanks for watching. My name is Natalie. I'll catch you in the next one.